Mastering your profession, the essence of being skilled at the job. Hello, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, skilled at the job. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about grasping a concept that's vital in the professional world. So, let's embark on this exploration together, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means to be skilled at the job but also how you can apply this knowledge in real-life contexts. Skilled at the job is a phrase that packs a lot of meaning. To be skilled means to have the ability, knowledge, and experience to do something well. At the job refers to any work or professional task. So, when we combine these, being skilled at the job means having the expertise and proficiency to perform your work duties effectively and efficiently. It's not just about having basic knowledge. It's about mastering your role to the extent that you can handle tasks with confidence and competence. Being skilled at the job is crucial for several reasons. First, it impacts your career growth. Employers always seek individuals who are not just qualified but are truly adept at their roles. Secondly, it affects your self-confidence. Knowing that you are skilled can boost your confidence, making you more likely to take on new challenges. Lastly, being skilled can contribute to job satisfaction. When you know what you're doing, you're more likely to find enjoyment and fulfillment in your work. Becoming skilled at the job isn't an overnight process. It involves continuous learning and practice. Here are a few steps to help you on this journey. 1. Seek feedback. Regular feedback from supervisors and peers can highlight areas for improvement. 2. Continuous learning. Always look for opportunities to learn, whether through formal education, online courses, or workshops. 3. Practice. Apply what you learn in real-world scenarios to refine your skills. 4. Mentorship. Finding a mentor in your field can provide insights and guidance that accelerate your learning process. Being skilled at the job is about combining knowledge, experience, and continuous improvement to excel in your professional role. It's a journey of growth that not only benefits your career but also enhances your personal satisfaction. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of being skilled and how you can achieve it. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Keep learning, keep growing, and you'll find yourself becoming more skilled each day. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.